Most American drivers are burning money without even realizing it. After researching mechanic reports, independent wear tests, fleet mileage data, and long-term owner feedback across the US, one thing became very clear. In 2026, many expensive, heavily marketed tire brands are wearing out far sooner than drivers expect. Meanwhile, quieter and lesser-known brands are quietly delivering 60, 70, sometimes even 80,000 miles on real American roads. This isn't about hype or ads, it's about rubber compounds, heat resistance, and how tires survive potholes, highways, rain, and long commutes. Mechanics across the country are seeing the same pattern, drivers paying more and replacing sooner. Stay with me, because by the time we reach number 1, you'll understand why many professionals no longer buy premium tires for their own cars.
13. Firestone, the basic tire that secretly lasts way longer. Firestone is often dismissed as boring, but real-world mileage data tells a very different story today. Instead of chasing flashy first-day grip, Firestone engineers focus on predictable wear, balanced tread blocks, and long-term stability. That design choice matters over years, not weeks. Many American drivers report Firestone tires lasting far longer than expected on sedans, crossovers, and family SUVs. The Destination lineup is a strong example, handling rain-soaked highways, gravel roads, and long interstate trips without burning through tread early. A rideshare driver I spoke with ran Firestones for almost 3 full years, rotating them regularly, before replacing them only because winter traction finally declined. There were no blowouts, no uneven wear, and no sudden noise problems. Firestone is not exciting at first glance, but consistency is exactly what saves money over time. Tires that wear evenly stay quieter, brake better, and avoid early replacement. That reliability explains why Firestone remains trusted by everyday drivers who value durability over hype. If this challenges what you believed about basic tires, the next brand will surprise you.
12. Yokohama, the performance tire that refuses to wear out early. Yokohama is widely known for grip, but many American drivers underestimate how long these tires actually last. Long-term wear testing shows Yokohama models maintaining usable traction far deeper into their lifespan than many similarly priced competitors. The secret lies in rubber compounds designed to resist heat breakdown, one of the fastest causes of premature tread loss. Lines like Avid for sedans and Geolander for SUVs are built for everyday U.S. roads, not just smooth test tracks. Owners frequently report confident wet grip even near replacement time, which improves safety as miles add up. Yokohama blends decades of motorsports knowledge into daily driving tires without sacrificing durability. Endurance racing taught the company how to balance grip with controlled wear, and that experience shows clearly here. I spoke with a commuter who replaced Yokohamas only after 7 years, not because of failure, but because age finally caught up. If you think performance always means short lifespan, the next brand proves price does not equal quality. That long-term consistency is why many drivers keep buying them again today nationwide. 11. Cooper, the truck tire built for abuse most brands can't survive. Cooper built its reputation by surviving real American roads year after year under pressure. Heat, rain, snow, towing, and endless highway miles rarely scare these tires. The Discoverer lineup is especially respected among truck and SUV owners who actually work their vehicles hard. Even as the tread wears down, the tire stays stable, quiet, and predictable instead of getting loose or noisy. Many drivers report crossing 60,000 miles with proper rotation and alignment without serious loss of grip. One contractor told me his Cooper tires outlasted 2 previous premium sets on the same truck. Cooper focuses on durability first, not flashy trends or aggressive early grip. Their rubber compounds are designed to wear evenly rather than quickly impress. That approach keeps road noise low, braking consistent, and replacement intervals longer. These tires are built to survive real abuse, not test tracks. If toughness matters to you, this brand deserves attention because the next option takes endurance even further. Mechanics often recommend them for drivers who want reliability over hype and fewer unexpected replacement costs long-term. 10. Toyo, the off-road tire that dominates daily driving too. Toyo builds tires for abuse, and that philosophy shows in daily driving. Their Open Country series is tested in brutal motorsports environments where heat destroys weak compounds quickly. That punishment forces Toyo to design rubber that survives stress instead of wearing fast. Truck owners report aggressive use on gravel, dirt, towing, and highways with surprisingly slow tread loss. One off-road enthusiast told me his Toyos handled weekend trails and weekday commuting without uneven wear. Toyo also focuses heavily on rolling resistance, which helps improve fuel economy and extend tread life over time. These tires may feel firm when new, but they settle into predictable, stable behavior as miles accumulate. The goal is longevity, not comfort on day one. That mindset explains why Toyo tires often last longer than expected under real use. They are not the quietest initially, but they keep performing when others fade. If durability matters more than early softness, this brand makes sense because the next name rebuilt its reputation completely. Mechanics frequently praise them for resisting heat damage during long summer highway trips nationwide consistently. 9. Falcon, the brand that fixed its past and now beats premium tires. Modern Falcon tires are nothing like their older versions that hurt the brand years ago. Updated rubber compounds focus on heat resistance, structural strength, and even wear patterns. The Wild Peak series is a strong example, surviving towing, snow, gravel, and rough roads without shredding tread. Fleet mileage data shows Falcon matching or beating many premium brands for long-term durability. Motorsports testing plays a huge role, forcing these tires to endure extreme stress without rapid degradation. One fleet manager told me Falcon reduced replacement frequency across multiple trucks within a single year. Even as miles accumulate, Falcon tires stay stable and predictable instead of becoming noisy or loose. That consistency matters because uneven wear leads to early replacement. Falcon no longer chases quick performance impressions. The brand prioritizes endurance, real-world abuse, and balanced handling. If you still judge Falcon by its past reputation, this is where opinions usually change because the next brand proves American heritage still counts. Many independent shops now recommend them confidently after years of consistent results across different vehicles nationwide today. 8. General Tire, the quiet American brand mechanics still trust. General Tire does not rely on hype or aggressive advertising to sell products. Founded more than 100 years ago, the brand survived while most early tire companies disappeared. Today, it operates under Continental, which brings modern quality control and advanced materials without losing durability roots. The Grabber lineup is especially respected among mechanics because it resists cuts, chips, and uneven wear on real American roads. Truck owners report these tires holding up under towing, gravel, and long highway drives. Even General's touring tires are known for smooth rides and slow tread loss over time. A shop owner once told me General tires come back less often for complaints compared to flashier brands. That matters. These tires are not built to impress on day one. They're built to remain predictable after years of use. Reliability is the reason many mechanics recommend General when customers ask what lasts, not what looks premium. If trust matters to you, the next brand proves price doesn't always match durability. 7. Hankook, the mid-range tire that outlives luxury brands. Hankook quietly transformed from a mid-range option into a durability leader. Independent testing and owner reports consistently show Hankook tires lasting longer than many premium competitors. The secret lies in heat stability. Hankook compounds are designed to resist breakdown during long drives and hot conditions. That slows tread degradation significantly. Fleet operators choose Hankook because the tires survive daily abuse without frequent replacement. Models like Kinergy and Dynapro are especially popular for commuters and trucks because they remain quiet and stable as miles add up. One delivery driver told me his Hankooks outlasted a more expensive set by nearly 20,000 miles. That difference adds up fast. Hankook focuses less on aggressive styling and more on even wear patterns. Even wear means better braking, lower noise, and fewer early replacements. When professionals choose a tire for cost efficiency, Hankook shows up often. And if that surprises you, pause for one quick reminder before we continue. Quick reminder, if this list is helping you rethink how you buy tires, subscribe. These videos are built to save you money before the purchase, not after the regret.
6. Sumitomo, the tire engineered for slow, even wear over years. Sumitomo focuses on structural strength instead of chasing trends or flashy designs. The company builds tires with rigid tread blocks that resist bending and deformation as miles add up. That stiffness helps the tread wear evenly instead of developing weak spots that shorten lifespan. Owners frequently report exceeding expected mileage, especially when rotations are done on schedule. Another key strength is consistency. Wet traction stays predictable as the tire ages, which is something many cheaper tires lose early. A mechanic once explained that Sumitomo tires rarely show strange wear patterns, which reduces alignment problems and vibration complaints. These tires are not built to impress on day one. They are built to feel the same after years of use. Road noise stays controlled, braking remains stable, and handling does not suddenly drop off. Sumitomo does not spend heavily on marketing, which helps keep prices reasonable without cutting material quality. 5. Laufen, the budget tire backed by premium Hankook engineering. Laufen is often mistaken for a low-quality budget tire, but ownership makes a big difference here. Laufen is owned by Hankook, which means it uses modern factories, advanced equipment, and strict quality control standards. That foundation shows up in long-term durability. Laufen tires are designed with simple tread patterns on purpose. Simplicity improves stability, comfort, and even wear as miles accumulate. Many commuters report Laufen tires lasting far longer than expected for the price. One driver told me he bought them as a temporary option and ended up replacing them years later instead. These tires are not built for extreme performance or aggressive driving. They are built to survive daily commuting without falling apart early. Number 4. Nexen, the AI-designed tire beating expensive competitors. Nexen invests heavily in research, including artificial intelligence used to design tread patterns and rubber compounds. That technology helps engineers predict how a tire will wear long before it reaches the road. Nexen tires are factory-installed on many vehicles worldwide, which requires meeting strict durability and safety standards. In the United States, Nexen delivers excellent mileage per dollar compared to many premium brands. Owners frequently praise the quiet ride and predictable grip in both dry and wet conditions. One commuter I spoke with replaced Nexen tires only because age caught up, not because tread wore out early. Nexen focuses on balanced performance rather than extreme features, which helps the tires stay consistent as miles add up. Number 3. GT Radial, the global brand Americans keep overlooking. GT Radial is part of a massive global tire manufacturer, yet many American drivers barely recognize the name. That lack of hype hides serious engineering. GT Radial supplies original equipment tires to automakers worldwide, which requires meeting strict durability standards. These tires are designed to balance comfort, tread life, and fuel efficiency, rather than chasing aggressive performance. Many models are built to handle electric vehicle torque, which places extreme stress on rubber compounds. 2. Kumho, the value tire delivering shockingly high mileage. Kumho focuses on consistency rather than hype.
And that approach shows clearly in long-term use. Models like the Solus lineup regularly exceed 60,000 miles when properly maintained. The tread compounds are designed to wear evenly instead of providing aggressive early grip that fades quickly. Uniroyal, the rain tire that outsmarts almost everyone. Uniroyal earns the top spot by combining wet safety, long life, and strong value in one package. The brand built its reputation as the rain tire, and that focus remains clear today. Advanced water evacuation technology reduces hydroplaning by moving water away from the contact patch quickly. That matters on American highways during heavy storms. Newer Uniroyal designs also address older weaknesses by improving tread life and reducing road noise. Owners report quiet rides and stable braking even as mileage adds up. Backed by Michelin in North America, quality control remains high without pushing prices into premium territory. One mechanic told me Uniroyal is what he installs on family cars, which says a lot. These tires are not built for marketing headlines, they're built for real safety and durability. When you combine dependable wet grip, controlled wear, and reasonable pricing, Uniroyal delivers a balance few brands can match. That's why it earns the #1 spot. You don't need the most expensive tire, you need the one that lasts. Click any of these videos on your screen, and I'll see you in a moment.